Good evening everyone. Many students ask me, ma'am, how should we prepare for NEET PG? So I have myself given this exam, and the feedback I can give you is that the most important thing in giving any entrance exam is that you should solve MCQs. MCQs are the key to success. See, you have to solve MCQs in exam. So just reading theory won't help you. You have to solve MCQs. Now, how should you go about solving MCQs? So first and the foremost thing is the subject which you are studying in this week. You should solve at least 100 MCQs daily related to those subject, and you should specially cover the questions asked in previous years. The next most important stuff is to cover all the types of question, like image based questions, some number based questions. So all types of questions should be covered. While solving MCQs, you should take care that you don't mark those questions wrong which you know. For example, read carefully whether except is written, not is written, whether it's a multiple choice question or a single answer type question. So you should be vigilant while solving the MCQs. The other important thing is to solve 50 MCQs of the subject which you have done in previous week. This will help in revision. So these 100 MCQs of the subject you are studying, you can solve during the morning and the daytime. And this 50 MCQs you can solve in evening or night, which are of the subject which you have done the previous week. This will help in revising the previous subject. So that is important. Otherwise, you will keep forgetting the previous subject. Now, the next most important thing is to give mock tests. Mock tests are very important, and you should give them in an exam-like environment. During that time, you should sit on a chair and table and not look at books and solve the mock test at a stretch without getting up from the chair. Now, what is the most important thing in solving a mock test? The first one is frequency. So if you divide your preparation in three phases, like if the preparation time is 1 year, you divide it in 3 phases of 4 months each. So for first 4 months, you should give 1 mock test per month. For the next 4 months, you should give 2 mock tests per month, so at 15 days interval. And for the last phase, you should give 1 mock test every week. And this is the pattern. The more you solve mock tests, the more confident you will become in solving MCQs. Now, just solving the mock test won't help. You have to analyze the mock test, that which subjects you are weak in. So whatever subjects are your bottom 3 subjects, you should try to study it first. Especially if the subjects are scoring subjects like pathology, pharmacology, microbiology, you should try to do those subjects first. Surgical subjects are also quite scoring. So you should try to focus on your weak subjects first. That will give you the maximum yield. Also, whatever questions you have marked wrong in mock test, you should give some time and write it in a register. And before giving the next mock test, you should revise this register. So this will help in increasing the yield. If there is some topic which is important but you are doing that MCQ wrong, you should go back and read that topic again. So solving mock test will be highly helpful in improving the rank in your NEET PG entrance examination. So this is the first way I want you to help in getting a good rank in NEET PG. So I want you to work on this for 1 week, solving more and more MCQs, 100 MCQs of the current subject and 50 MCQs of the previous subject, and giving mock test. So do these things, and let's meet after 1 week, and then I'll give you the next advice, what to do more to score a better rank in NEET PG.